in a typical fryer is solids build up, and they build up and build up. But by installing a Lakos FrySafe system, which is a continuous filtration benefit, we're continually removing the crumbs that are produced, and that means your products, say they're potato chips or corn chips, are going to be free of particulate. Also, the color of the oil maintains its color throughout the frying cycle, so you get a consistently colored product and a consistent taste. But in terms of the operation of the system itself, by keeping the oil cleaner longer and keeping the fryer cleaner longer, that means less downtime. It means if you're shutting down every 5 days for cleaning up the system, you might be able to run 10 or even 15 days before you have to shut down to clean the system. So that's saving you on labor, but more importantly, it's providing you much longer runtime, and therefore your production levels are higher than you would normally have.
When you get into a lot of other types of filtration, basically it's just a barrier that's blinding off the crumbs and the fines, which means you're recirculating the flow continuously through that barrier, which breaks down your oil. With the Lakos separator or the FrySafe system, the Lakos separator itself takes on the full flow of oil and then concentrates the crumbs and the fines to an area, allowing you to pull the crumbs and the fines out of your oil, extending the overall life quality of the oil.
When you buy a Lakos FrySafe system, you're going to improve the quality of your product and the quality of the oil that you're using to make your product.